Oh my God! What is going on, lady boys? We're back. We're over at Lake Elsinore Motorsports Park getting ready for the Havoc pit bike night, practice night, whatever you want to call it. So every Wednesday we're doing practices here, and then we got our big race in 2 weeks. We had one of them. It was off the chain. We had around 3,000 people come. I was just showing you what we're doing a little bit here today, and then we're going to get ready in about 4 hours. We got everyone coming for practice night, so we'll be doing some spins around the track. I'll throw my helmet cam on and show you guys. It is coming out awesome. From when we started, it's come a long ways, that's for sure. So before we had the start, actually where I'm standing, the start came through the middle, so we had to bring people on over the track as they were racing, which is a little sketchy. So staging is now going to be around the back. This is going to be the start straight right here. We're getting that dialed in. You're gonna go into that corner right there and then hit the tabletop. So now right here it's just a nice bowl turn, comes over a steep table right here. This one's super fun right here. You can't really tell there, but come over, and then we're changing up the roller section right now. I think we're gonna go double or triple in, something like that. But yeah, we got the track looking super good. So now we got to do a full prep on it right before everyone comes. We got Pat getting over in the dozer right now to do the prep. But super excited. I'm going to throw the GoPro around a little bit, show you guys what's going on. Maybe we'll hop in the dozer ourselves and try to mess this track up a little bit.
Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me holding.
All right, just checking back in here. We're running a little out of time, but I just wanted to take a second, let you guys admire this corner I just did. Pretty freaking good. For not knowing what I'm doing at all, I got this thing dialed. So if you guys need supercross tracks built, A1, well, don't look at that end. I didn't finish that end part, but not bad at all. This thing is gonna be prime just for practice too, not even the race. So if you guys are around SoCal area, you gotta come out. Wednesday nights, Havoc pit bike practice nights are gonna be off the chain. Pat's flipping us off over there, I think. He's just a hater. He is a hater. We're so damn good in this thing. All right, guys, before we get too far into this video, I want to do a little unboxing on a company that sent us some sweet walkie-talkies. This is going to take filming to the next level. I think it's going to be a lot funner for us to engage with Dana, all the people we ride with and everything, so it's going to help a lot. It's Cardo. So what they do, they specialize in walkie-talkies, Bluetooth technology. So for street guys, if you're on street bikes and you want to talk to your buddies, dirt, we're going to be using them for dirt and razors mostly. Obviously we don't do too much street stuff, but these things clip on the side of your helmet. You can answer phone calls, you can listen to music, you can listen to everything. So this is the Pack Talk Black right here. This one's pretty sweet. And then we also got the Bolds. So these bad boys, it came with two of them, it comes with a pair, so you could always hand one to your buddy. You could put two on, like I have two different helmets I use, so I'm gonna have one set up on my moto helmet, and I have my trials helmet also, which I use for my razor. It's the half face, which is super cool because if you open up this box right here, their packaging is, I like the packaging a lot. It says a lot about a company. So this right here is a clip, so you can clip it on your shirt, your waist, wherever you want, if you don't want it solely on your helmet. And then it's all JBL audio, so if you guys know anything about audio, JBL's next level with that stuff. So super pumped on that. The sound clarity and stuff is gonna be insane. But they got, right here, they got a mic. So on my half face, I obviously don't have a front nose piece. I could have this sticking out right by my mouth. It's gonna work perfect for that. So we're gonna do some testing in this thing as soon as Dana ever rides again. It's been super hot out and we've had a lot going on. So we haven't been able to do too much filming outdoors and stuff. So the next video, I'm gonna hook all these up. I'm gonna give one to Dana to test out, and then I think it'll be super cool to be able to hear us talking back and forth and Dana screaming and stuff when I take them off gnarly stuff. I'll leave a link down in the description. You go check them out online. Yeah, I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this company right here. So next video, we're gonna be putting these things to use. I gotta install them in the helmet, all that. And yeah, I think it's really gonna be cool adding to the videos and stuff like that. So let's get back to the video now. All right guys, so Pat took off. He went to get lunch real quick, so we're gonna jump in this dozer real quick. Never really drove one. Couldn't be any different than a skid steer though.
Looking out there.
Ouch. Looking good. Jacob, he's finishing corner for me.
You know that right, I think?
No.
Okay.
All right guys, so we're in the cockpit. Let's fire this thing up. Key. Thing's pretty big. Not a D11 like I'm used to driving, but all right. If anyone has any kind of help to help me. There we go. Oh yeah, we got it. It wasn't in park. So we're gonna unlock it off of park. Okay, we got the throttle just like a skid steer. Oh yeah. All right. Always make sure the rippers are up. Oh yeah, this is badass. So it's a decelerator, I'm guessing. Hold it in. Oh yeah. Okay. Quite slow. I can deal with this. Whoa. Holy crap. Put some metal sides on this thing, make a killdozer out of it. So you control it all right here. Then when you want to stop, that's like the brakes right there. Kind of weird. I got Jacob fixing the corner over there. Check out this one. Dude, that thing is dialed. Wide open. As fast as we're going.
"2,000 years later."
Alright guys, about 15 minutes later we made it from over there back to here. We gotta get these hay bales pushed up here. So we're gonna use a dozer. Instead of using your hands, because they weigh like 50 pounds, I figure we might as well use a dozer to do it. So it's gonna be hard to film and do this, but we're gonna do it. So we're just gonna push that thing right up on top there. Whoa, holy crap. Now this takes a lot of skill right here. We're gonna turn the blade, you just turn your hand right here. Bring it up. Oh shit. Oh, this isn't good. Oh God. All right, we're ruining the hay bale. Let's push this one up a little bit here. Whoa. Oh, gotta put it in drive. There we go. Nice. We did it. Okay, so we got it in drive. Whoa, Jacob. Let's get this thing up there. I'm using a decel just to control the speed. I'm slowly bringing it up and turning it. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just getting ready for A1 right now. They want me to build the track. After they've seen the pit bike track, they're like, we need you to build A1. Whoa. Shit, I just lost control a little bit. We're good. Back under control. Not many people let you use the $250,000 piece of equipment to mess around in. We're just gonna barely. There's precision. Look at that. Oh yeah. Jesus. See you do that, Pat? Oh. Okay guys, the track prep is done. I'm gonna take you guys on one lap around before everyone starts shredding. Let's go for it. So you're coming off of here. There's an option line I built right here. So you can either hit double, then this left side sets you up for a step on right here. So you could hit this, step onto the table, or you could jump the whole table. This is a steep table right here. It's pretty dope. Land, you got a long sweeper. Jacob is just demolishing right now. No, it looks pretty damn good. A lot better than it did. So he's working on this. So come around here, around the sweeper. Then we got a scrub hump right here, little scrub wall. Come over, slow you down a little bit, and then I want to hit it one-handed, but I don't have a helmet on either, so we're not going to do that. Come over, a little double here, over another roller. We steepen this one, and then you're coming around. God, I built a good berm right here. Then you're coming up. We got a nice little table here, a little booter. Land off of this, click third, scrub this one, and then you got a little flat left-hand corner here. We got a little ripped up here. It hardens pretty quick. Around the left-hander, try not to slide out over the table. And then I built a supercross turn right here. Come around this bad boy. And then we got a steep table. Boom! Shoots you to the moon. And then here's a new line I just built. So this one, this right side is double. I built this with a little bit, it's pretty mellow, the first one, so that way you can land on the gas. That second one, it's probably hard to tell. It's pretty long actually, so you gotta stretch that thing out. And then this is mainly a double for everyone, but if you got the balls to hit this thing, you're probably third wide on a mod bike, I would think. Triple all the way over. That's massive though. I don't think that's gonna be doable. So, oh my God! I'll probably change that up before the race. So after that, well, here's a start right here. We got a big, nice Talladega turn. A lot of room right here, so you could be about 20 wide going off this table. We just recently shortened this up. So we cut this about 3/4. We cut it down. It was probably out here. So we cut this one down, probably about 5 feet off. The knuckle was about down there. And it was literally third gear pinned around that corner to clear this thing on a stock bike. So now that we got it shortened up, it should be good. And then into the rollers, come around. We got 5 rollers now. We had 4 before, so I don't know what we could do here. I haven't tried them yet. Maybe double, I don't know if you're tripling that. Probably triple in and then double out might work. So we're gonna have to test that out. And then, Jesus, I built another nice corner. You hit this thing third wide, never lift, all the way around. And then back to the another scrub wall here. That was a track map for round 2 of the Havoc pit bike race. It's gonna be October 24th, I believe. So if you guys want to check that out, come out, race it. It's gonna be wicked, but we're getting ready for practice right now. So we're gonna park the tractors and fire practice off. Hope you guys enjoy it. CRF, what is that? KLX. Oh my God! Are you okay?
After that, no, we're good. I'm not going for it.
Shit. Oh my God. Dude, I did not.
That was so big. Look at the bars.
Holy
Triple clamp here, so.
How's it turn out, Dana?
Oh my God, I got him. I thought you were gonna put something on me. Dude, 23 people on the track just right now. And that's not even the people who are waiting around.
Unreal.
That one right there.
I got my nose
right
on there.
Right there, that one.
You got that.
Oh, I know.
What? Double right before the middle table.